Welcome to part 3 of our introductory video series. Now that you know your way around the system, let's create a new project and add some data to it. From the project list, click the Add a Project button in the top right, then enter a project name, optional description, and the billing information for the credit card you want on file. Then hit Save, and your new project will be created. Once the project has been created, we can add data to it. Data is added to the project from the Collections tab. Start by entering a custodian, a collection name, an optional description, and selecting options for how you want us to handle the data. Then click Next and select where you want the data to come from. You have several options to choose from, the easiest being the drag and drop option. This lets you select a file up to 2 GB in size to process. If you have multiple files that you want as part of the same collection, they need to be zipped into an archive first. The next option is the Iio Drive. This is an SFTP server that is created for you when you set up the project. The credentials for accessing it will be emailed to you upon creating a new project, and you can access it with an SFTP client such as FileZilla. While the Iio Drive option will automatically provide access to any files you place into the project SFTP server, you can also manually connect to an outside or third-party FTP or SFTP server and ingest the files from there. Following that is the option to ingest files from an Amazon S3 server. To do this, you will need the bucket name, the access key, and the secret access key. Once connected, you can browse the selected bucket and find the folder you want to process. If you would like Indexed.io to host an S3 server for your use, please contact us at support@indexed.io. We also offer an integrated Imap collection tool to connect to an email account and create your collection based off of the emails currently being hosted. All you need for this option is the email address and password for the account. If the account has two-factor authorization enabled, you will need to take additional steps before processing. You can find instructions for doing so in our collection of self-help articles. The last option for adding data to the project is to connect to a Dropbox account. Click Connect to authorize access with Dropbox, then navigate to the folder you want to process. This concludes part 3 of our introductory video series.